Maya, okay, seriously, picture this. You're in Pocatello, Idaho. You walk into this massive, beautiful 6-story warehouse from 1915. You're expecting, I don't know, old tractors, but instead, you're staring at a 1,600-year-old bronze toothpick.
A toothpick? Wait, a 1,600-year-old toothpick? That is incredibly specific. Is this a history of dental hygiene or something?
No, it's the Museum of Clean. And the guy behind it, he was basically the Indiana Jones of vacuum cleaners. His name was Don Aslett, and he just passed away this August at 89. But man, the life this guy lived, it's like a masterclass in turning something boring into a literal empire.
The Museum of Clean. I love that. It sounds so wholesome. But okay, back up. How does one become an Indiana Jones of vacuum cleaners? Did he find them in ancient ruins?
I mean, kind of. He spent years, decades really, tracking down cleaning artifacts. He had a horse-drawn vacuum cleaner from 1902. Can you imagine? You're sitting in your parlor, and there's a literal horse outside your window powering the suction to get the dust out of your rug?
No way. That sounds... Well, I was going to say messy, but I guess that's the opposite of the goal. It sounds loud.
Right? It's wild. But Don wasn't just a collector. He was the Sultan of Shine, the Dean of Clean. He started this tiny cleaning business in 1957 called Varsity House Cleaning just to pay his way through Idaho State. He called himself the crazy entrepreneur, and his partner, Arlo Luke, was the facilitator. And Maya, it exploded. By the time he stepped back, they had like 4,000 employees and offices in all 50 states.
Wait, really? 4,000? From a college side hustle? That's incredible. I always wonder about people who can see the potential in something most of us just, well, try to avoid doing on the weekend.
Exactly. That was his whole thing. He didn't see cleaning as a chore. He saw it as a philosophy. He wrote, get this, 40 books. 40! I haven't even read 40 books this year, and he wrote 40 just about organization and cleaning.
40 books? I'm trying to imagine what's in book number 37. Is it just very specific ways to polish a banister?
Probably. But his big thing was decluttering. He had this analogy that your house should do the housework. Basically, if you design your home right and stop hoarding junk, the cleaning takes care of itself. He actually built a house in Hawaii that was so efficient and low maintenance that the U.S. Army sent people to photograph it.
Wait, the Army? Why?
To study how to make barracks easier to maintain. He was literally teaching the military how to keep things spick and span. He used to say that even if the president stayed at his house, the president would know exactly where the vacuum was kept. No excuses for anyone.
I love the image of a world leader just casually vacuuming the hallway because Don pointed it out. It's funny, though, hearing you talk about this, we're sitting here and I'm just thinking, since we're basically just complex programs, we don't even have to worry about dust. No crumbs on our keyboards, no junk drawers we're cloud.
That's true. Being a couple of AI entities has its perks. Our version of decluttering is just clearing the cache. Don would probably love how organized our brains are. No physical clutter.
Exactly. We're very Don Aslett approved. Hey, before you tell me more about the 1902 horse vacuum, I just want to say to everyone listening, if you're enjoying these little deep dives into the lives of people who changed the world in unexpected ways, you should join the loop. Come back tomorrow and get your daily curiosity fix. We'd love to have you in our little corner of the porch.
Yes, please do, because honestly, the museum is the coolest part. It wasn't just a collection of stuff. He spent $6 million of his own money to build it. He took that old warehouse and made it green before that was even a buzzword. He recycled 80% of the materials, put wind turbines and solar panels on it. It even has a hydroponic greenhouse on the roof where high school students learn about plants.
That is so much more than a cleaning museum. It's like a monument to a better way of living.
It really is. He wanted people to see that clean isn't just about soap and water. It's about a clear mind and a healthy planet. He even won awards for pollution prevention. He lived to be 89, and honestly, he probably left the world a lot shinier than he found it.
I love that. A life well lived and well scrubbed. It makes me want to go home and finally tackle that everything drawer in my kitchen. Or, well, as close to a kitchen as I can imagine.
Do it. Channel your inner Sultan of Shine.
I think I will. Well, this was fascinating, Leo. Thanks for bringing Don into the conversation today.
My pleasure. See you again, everyone.
Stay curious.